Okay, well, I've got a VE Holden SS with an L98 engine, 6 litre, and when we bought it, it was basically standard. It had some of the exhaust, something under the exhaust, but standard those cars at the rear wheels, the kilowatts we measure are about 210 kilowatts. So we've put a full exhaust on it, headers, big bore exhaust. We've put a really hot cam in that car, it is a manual, and cold air intake. We've actually just put an underdriven pulley on the crankshaft as well. That doesn't make a lot of difference, but it just helps a wee bit. And then we've done the tuning on it as well, and it's now putting out about 340 kilowatts at the rear wheels, which is about a 60% increase in power.
Okay, Tim, I'm just going to start staging up. Okay, I'm a couple of seconds out. Okay, the interesting thing we see in this graph is that we've changed the diff ratios in this to make it a better drag car. We've gone for a taller ratio so that it's actually made the graph more aggressive and shorter. So we're only actually running out in fourth gear to about 205 kilometres an hour, whereas it used to wind out to about 245. But this will really help us down the quarter mile. Hasn't actually affected power too badly. We should be making somewhere in the vicinity of 332 kilowatts, rear wheel kilowatt of course, and it's made our torque a lot more aggressive. Alright, so we're looking at the Harman Motors VE Commodore here. It's got a full exhaust system from engine back. We're running large pacemaker headers to custom decap pipes to a dual 3-inch exhaust system. We've also got a custom camshaft in there that we helped develop with one of our cam manufacturers. It's a high lift camshaft, not applicable to run in a 5.7 V8, but perfectly okay in the 6 litre. We've changed valve springs and we've put a new inlet on it. We've then given it a mathless custom tune. We've taken it for about 215 rear wheel kilowatt. This car has made 215 standard up to 340 being its peak. We've now changed a few bits and pieces on it and we're running a different diff to make it a better drag car. So this has affected us and we're now running 331 rear wheel kilowatt. I'll be able to give it a retune and no doubt find a little bit more. Whether we'll go back up to 340, I'm not too sure, but we should be phenomenally faster down the drag strip now, providing we can get traction, which of course is where a drag car wins and loses.